Hello,
Is it
sir.
audible? Hello, sir. Vinipistundandi.
Yes, sir.
Sir, welcome, sir.
Hello, sir.
Sai, sir, welcome.
Thank you. Thank
Welcome.
you.
This almost 600 of our distributors are here. I really want you to share your experience on genetics and how it is helpful. We really need your. We really want to hear from you, and we are very excited for this, sir. Please.
Hello. Hello. Good evening, everybody. First of all, I would like to congratulate our CEO and founder, Rizwan sir, for introducing this wonderful product into the market in this pandemic condition.
Thank you.
And Harsha garu, మీరు almost అన్ని టాపిక్స్ కవర్ చేశారు. Have given a very good introduction regarding this product.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Sir, actually, my background is purely genetics. I did extensive research in stroke genetics, as well as beta thalassemia, DMD, that is Duchenne muscular dystrophy, as well as we are into the pharmacogenetics field, and we did a lot of research in nutrigenomics as well as stroke genetics also. So I will give you a brief introduction about what is genetics and all, because I don't want to go deeply technically into the subject right now. First of all, I would like to give a brief introduction about it. So the study of genes is called genetics. So now we are having a number of genes inside a cell, but of these only 20 to 25,000 are the functional genes. Functional genes is nothing but those genes will express, and non-functional genes won't express. So we should concentrate only on the functional genes. So in this case, what will happen? This is the wonderful product here. It gives information about your health and everything. It is like we can say technically it as a genetic horoscope. If you go for this investigation, genetic horoscope is nothing but generally in case of horoscope there is a prediction, but in case of this genetic horoscope you can get pinpoint and crisp information about each and everything about your health, the lifestyle, and everything related to the disease and health conditions and traits. And in this genetic horoscope you will get information about everything in detailed manner, so that you can come to know what you are susceptible to. Because in the nowadays the health conditions, if you take the health conditions like because the top 3 diseases are heart attack, cancer, as well as the stroke, and other lifestyle disorders. So all these are in the pipeline, so that what will happen if you know the genetic predisposition to these diseases in before, so there is a lot of scope for you to reduce the burden of getting these diseases. So this is the wonderful product. So each and everybody in this pandemic condition has to utilize this opportunity so that you can get rid of almost all the diseases. So there is a prior information about your health if you go for this investigation. So how you can get this information, that I will give you in a nutshell. So what will happen in a gene? There are we can say like ATGC or the bases. These are called as nitrogen bases. We can call it as adenosine, adenine, guanine, thymine, and cytosine. Whereas some we can call adenine, guanine, or called as purines, and thymine and cytosine, or the pyrimidines. If this ATGC will be randomly coded in your gene, what will happen if there is a problem in any of these alphabets? What will happen? The end product will get disturbed. If the end product gets disturbed, what will happen? Automatically it will impact on your health and lifestyle and everything. So I will give you one example. For example, people who are having ACE, we can call it as ACE, that is called as the angiotensin converting enzyme. So if there is a mutation is nothing but, I will tell you briefly about the mutation and the single nucleotide polymorphisms. If there is a mutation in the particular gene, what will happen? That leads to hypertension. If there is a change in one alphabet in that gene, if you identify that gene, if you identify that condition by going for this investigation, so that it gives you prior information that you may get hypertension in before, in the short span of time, so that it will give you the warning signal so that you should take care of your health by taking proper, by changing your lifestyle or by taking particular nutrition which is suitable depending upon your genetic profile, so that you can reduce the burden of getting diseases. So like that, there are various SNPs. SNPs are nothing but single nucleotide polymorphisms. So all these single nucleotide polymorphisms will be identified in this investigation and give you prior hand information about your health condition in advance. So if you have that weapon in your hand, so that you can reduce the burden of all the diseases, almost all the diseases, by changing your habit and by changing the proper nutrition, which was given by our certified nutritionist, so that if you follow all the advices, so that you can reduce the burden of getting these diseases. So this is a wonderful opportunity for all of you, and go for this investigation. That too, one thing I will say you is, it is a one-time investigation in your lifetime. So you have no need to go for this investigation every month or every quarterly, like thyroid and everything. Suppose for a diabetic person, so used to go for the sugar test every month and checking for every 3 months HbA1c and other lipid profile like that. But this is a one-time investigation. You have to invest this small amount of money only once in your lifetime, and so that you can get a beautiful information about your life and your health condition, future health condition in advance. So I'm what I wanted to suggest you is, everybody has to utilize this opportunity, and it is a very competitive price. Rizwan sir has given a very competitive price. It is very less price compared to other labs who are offering this. In abroad, you can have to spend a lot of amount, a lot of money on this investigation. But see, it is a 360 degrees coverage in this report. I have seen not only the particular type and particular information they are giving. Here, we give you the 360-degree information about your health, nutrition, diet, and endurance, and everything related, even your skin quality and skin health information also will be covered in this. Okay. In this, what will happen? There are various complications people are suffering with, like atherosclerosis. In case of cardiac related patients, those who are having the atherosclerosis, they don't know whether they are having atherosclerosis or not. If they have that, if you give the information, suppose if you get prior information about that, what will happen, so that you can reduce the burden of getting disease. If you know you are susceptible to get atherosclerosis, so that you may be getting heart attack in future, so that it gives you information about everything, so that based on this information you can change your lifestyle and about the diet and everything, so that it would be, there is a lot of scope for you to reduce the burden of getting disease.
Sir,
Okay.
I have a question. I have a question. Sorry to interrupt. I have a question. Yeah. Yesterday, one guy asked me. Yesterday, one of my friend from Gujarat asked me. His grandfather had heart attack. His father also went through a bypass surgery. So he asked me whether can my DNA tell me whether I am also prone to heart attack, because it is a inherited disease, because his grandfather died of heart attack. His father have a bypass surgery. So he asked me. I said, yeah, definitely you should go for this test. You can.
Yes.
Hello.
Sir, please unmute yourself.
Sir, please unmute yourself. Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
1 second. Yeah, HCM. HCM is nothing but hypertrophic cardiomyopathy. And DCM, there is a condition called as dilated cardiomyopathy. So in these conditions, what will happen? We found that a particular gene variation that is called as myosin binding protein C3, that is, we can call it as MYBPC3. There is a 24 BP, 24 base pair deletion is there in that gene. If a person is carrying that mutation, what will happen? There is a 92 95% of getting a chances of, heart attack in future.
Not,
So
not only physical appearances, but some diseases also we inherit from our parents.
yes, see, person is absolutely normal. Phenotypically, he is normal. He don't have any complication. He don't have any drinking habit. He don't have any smoking habit. He doesn't have any habit. Even though a person doesn't have any habit and asymptomatic means no symptoms will be observed in the particular person. Even though person doesn't have any symptoms, he may get the cardiac arrest in future if he carries that mutation.
So that means
Suppose
this genetic testing is the biggest invention ever did in the field of healthcare.
yes, because in normal I will tell you the difference between the genetic test and the normal investigation. For example, in case of thyroid or any other complications, those investigations will reveal you the current situation of your health. Whereas the genetic test will give you the information about your future health.
Okay.
That is the main difference between the genetic test and the normal biochemical marker analysis.
Okay.
In normal biochemical marker analysis, only gives the information about the present health condition of. Whereas in case of the DNA test, it gives you the future health condition in advance.
And what what we inherited from our parents also we get to know, Anthony, in the genetic test.
Yes, there is a chance. There is a chance. So definitely you can get, if both are carriers, if both your parents are carriers, what will happen? There is a 25% of getting a chance of in case of autosomal recessive condition. So like that, in case of multifactorial diseases, what will happen? There are various factors are involving in the disease pathophysiology. So all those multifactorial analysis will give you the crisp information about your health condition. So that is the thing we are doing in our gene thing analysis, test analysis 1.0. In future, we are introducing 2.0, etc. It gives the more resolution in about your health condition.
Correct.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. All the best. Thank you.
Sir, one final question from my side. What is the best suggestion you can give for all these young people in the call right now? Is it 100% necessary to go for this test, and how much it is necessary for all the young people in the country right now?
In olden days, మన పాత రోజుల్లో చూసుకున్నట్లయితే అందరూ కూడా మంచి ఫుడ్, మంచి హెల్తీ ఎన్విరాన్మెంట్ లో ఉండేవాళ్ళు. ఇప్పుడు చూసినట్లయితే మనకి ఏంటంటే మన హెల్త్ కండిషన్ బాగాలేదు, ఫుడ్ అడల్టరేషన్ అనేది ఎక్కువైపోయింది. మనం తీసుకున్న ఫుడ్ కూడా చాలా మనకి క్వాలిటీ ఫుడ్ అనేది దొరకట్లేదు. మన లైఫ్ స్టైల్ అనేది మారిపోయింది. తర్వాత మన ఎన్విరాన్మెంట్ మారిపోయింది. మనకి పొల్యూషన్ అనేది ఎక్కువైపోయింది. సో ఇవన్నీ కూడా మనం కన్సిడర్ చేసినట్లయితే ఇప్పుడు మనం హెల్దీగా ఉండొచ్చు. కానీ మనకేమవుతుందంటే అంత ముందు లైఫ్ స్పాన్, యావరేజ్ లైఫ్ స్పాన్ వచ్చేసరికి 80-85 ఇయర్స్ ఉండేవాళ్ళు. ఇప్పుడు మనకి 55-60 ఇయర్స్కే మనకి లైఫ్ స్పాన్ అనేది తగ్గిపోయింది. అంటే వాట్ ఇట్ రిప్రజెంట్స్, మనం ఉన్న ఎన్విరాన్మెంట్ ఏంటి, మనం ఉన్న కండిషన్స్ ఏంటి, మనం తీసుకున్న ఫుడ్ ఏంటి, మనకున్న లైఫ్ స్టైల్ ఏంటి, ఆల్ ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ ఆర్ ఇన్ఫ్లుయెన్సింగ్ అవర్ హెల్త్. సో దిస్ ఈస్ ద వెరీ గుడ్ అండ్ వండర్ఫుల్ ప్రోడక్ట్. Everyone should utilize this. Even the kids also should utilize this product for to know his exact information about your health, future health. So దీన్ని బట్టి ఏంటంటే అట్లీస్ట్ మనం ఒక 5 years to 10 years అన్నా కానీ వాళ్ళ నార్మల్ లైఫ్ స్పాన్ ని మనం ఇంక్రీజ్ చేయొచ్చు అనమాట ఈ ఇన్వెస్టిగేషన్.
సూపర్.
అదే.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.